Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on how you can actually use the contacts module. This is like very easy and very simple to use. In the moment when you're going to be in Odoo, you are going to find here the contacts module where you're going to have all your contacts like the name, email, phone, activities, country. You can have it also as a Kanban style or list view or based on a map, like from where are your contacts from. So I can click here and you can literally just like choose multiple columns that you can have. Let's say I want to have a web number, or let's say you want to have like city or state, or you want to have also like total due, or you want to have also like salesperson. So these are the things that you can actually have like created on like when it was like created. And that's something that you can do. And then you can like filter it based on that, right? So it's like I added like new today, therefore they're like recent here. And I can always click here and add a new contact where you're going to have a new company or a person. So let's say I'm going to write here and like this, okay? And there you're going to have also like the number, you're going to have the company employer, you're going to have also the address, the job positions and all those things. And now what you can do is that you can actually add a contact. Now, primarily you're going to have these contacts because it's connected also in accounting, right? So if you're going to have a contact here, you can have also like accounting also, where you're going to have options to add contact directly about like under the company. So I can click here, add a contact, and I can add for the invoice here, or for delivery, or for the address. So this is something that you can actually like also do and add here. And then you can have also sales and purchases. So these are kind of like the important things primarily for the sales and purchases about the payment terms, payment method, delivery method, Incoterm, the payment method also. So that's something that you can do. And then you're going to have also like accounting here. So like a bank account receivable, account payable, and autopost bills. And then you're going to have also the partner assignment here. So like geolocation, and then also like the notes and Yubo. So that's pretty much it on how the whole process works. I hope this video provided you a little bit of value, what you can actually like expect and how you can use the Odoo. And yeah, thank you very much guys, and have a great day and goodbye.